Hello world, it's yours truly G. Cole, Homegrown with G. Cole. The podcast airs right here on Jamaicans.com every Monday and Thursday, 7 p.m. till 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're going to talk about the facts of Jamaican music. I don't want to say reggae music because, all the other genres contribute to this Jamaican music culture also. It is believed, they state it as fact, but I love to toss it is believed and opinions in there because I never did it. You know what I mean? But all right, let's call it facts since that's what we're talking about. The word reggae actually comes from the Jamaican slang term reg, or how they pronounce it, reggae, right? Which pretty much means ragged or raggedy, right? That's where the actual term reggae came from. If you spoke to Bob, his thing pretty much is that it came from a Latin term, regi, R-E-G-I, which means a king, or Spanish for king's music. But, I think already, you know what I mean? The king want to put a nicer spin on it, the whole nine, a nicer, more reverend, more royal spin on the thing, right? But truth be told, reggae, raggedy, right? My name is G. Cole. It is Homegrown G. Cole. Keep it moving, keep it grooving. It's homegrown.